welcome to my very first video of 2025. I cannot believe it is already a new year. I want to start this video off by saying thank you guys so much for cheering me on. I have had this channel for 5 years at this point, and I just really adore the community that I have, and you guys just encourage me and pour into me and give me the will to keep creating content. And I literally would not be sitting here right now doing this video if it wasn't for you. So I hope you have an amazing new year. I hope that the next 365 days treat you well. I know every day won't be a good day, but I hope in the grand scheme of things, everything makes sense and it all works for your betterment. But let's get into today's video. I'm so excited about the new year, and I really want to be consistent and show up and be the content creator that I know that I can be. So I've actually picked up quite a few things that are gonna help me do that this year. And what I love about everything that I'm about to show you, it's from a Black-owned brand. Of course, we have to start with my brand new planner. I got the Booked and Blessed planner from Booked, which is a small Black woman-owned brand. And I remember when I posted about pre-ordering this and the price, and someone was like, oh, that's really expensive. I just really enjoy supporting Black-owned brands, and I just really I really like using this planner. This is what it came with. It came with a cute little card, and of course I got the Booked and Blessed. They also have like Booked and Busy, and they have a deluxe. I got the deluxe one year when I really was pouring into content creation once again, and I could do a lot of the things there. But you know, I am definitely more so on a spiritual journey these last couple years, and so I decided to go Booked and Blessed. And it comes with a cute little, is this the bookmark? You can definitely like mark the pages, the corners, and it comes with a pen. I really love the presentation. Like, I'm a sucker for things like this. And this year they came out with like a mini size. Let me grab my one for last year because it's completely opposite of this really quick. Sorry. So this is my 2024 Booked and Blessed binder. You can purchase this year's binder without the spiral. So I just wanted to give that a try last year. I found that this is really good to use at home. It just really feels easier to pack a spiral. Like, I like to be able to bend my pages back, if that makes sense. There's nothing wrong with it. It's strictly your preference, but yeah. And I really like that this is like external tabs and not, this literally belongs on a bookshelf to me. So when you open it, you have a little pocket where you can store things, and you have a 25 and 26 like entire year calendar. We're gonna just, you know, go through the good stuff. We've got the holidays, and we also have an official reading list. So depending on what type of planner that you purchase, there will be a different reading list, and I will have all of these things linked in the description box down below. And so what I really like is that, you know, you can write your professional and personal goals. But even so, it's got a space for hairstyles. I don't really use it, but if anybody is also like documenting their hair journey, you can do it right inside of this planner. And I just think that is so Black of us, and I love that for us. Really, basically, you can tab through on the website and definitely get more in depth. But you have your goals, tithing, all that. Editing Faren here. I just want to add that I love that this planner feels like a journal. Did I already skip it? It's the graphics for me. Oh, here it is. So for instance, January, this is like laminated. They get better and better every year. And you just have like an inspirational, motivational quote. Something, you know, that really gets the girls going. So for January, it says, I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation. Beyonce Giselle knows Carter. So I just really like that it's not this, you know, generic run-of-the-mill planner. It has a personality. And look at that. I randomly turned to a page and it gives you like a Bible verse at the beginning for each week, and this is John 3:16. If you know it, you know it. My only thing that I don't really care for, and this is so small, is that the week starts on Monday and I like for my weeks to start on Sunday. That is really the only thing that I gripe about, but that's a personal preference. And so as you can see, like, you don't get a full page, but I really just want to use this to have a great general overview of like what I'm doing, what's on the calendar, birthdays, holidays, content, like everything. That is what I plan on using this planner for, and also spiritually, because it's going to keep me encouraged. So that is my official planner. There's more. Now, I am a pen and paper girl. I don't know if you can tell that by now. You can always go digital. I know that works for a lot of people, but I like to write things down. And so I picked this planner up from Be Rooted. This actual one, I think they discontinued, but I'm a constellation star girly, so I got this on like a deep discount. But this is basically like where you can plan out your day and you can date it and do hour by hour. It's kind of like I'm trying to get into like time blocking and really being productive and getting the most out of my day and figuring that out. So if I can like list out everything that I need to get done and I can associate that with a time, that is really working for me right now. And of course you can do meal plans, your water intake, your top 3 priorities, and a to-do list and some added notes. So I really want this on days, especially like on the weekends, because I just have a hard time like sorting out what needs to be done in what order. So if I can just take a moment and really fill this out when I need to, even my evenings after work, that is why I purchased this. You can write that in your daily planner, but sometimes I like to write things in different places. I am very compartmentalized as a person, and just because it works for me doesn't mean it works for you, but I'm just showing you like your different options and how my brain works. Y'all are really getting an inside look. So I also picked up this daily notebook. It's 160 pages. I just thought this was really cute. Like, look at this. I'm obsessed. And once again, it's not really, you can date it here. So January, you can just mark whatever day this is. And I really want to use this as like my content journal. Like, I have a personal journal that I have from Forever Mood, to like whatever is going on in my life that I need to, you know, just get out and not really talk to others about. I wanted to have something specifically for like my content creator journey, just somewhere to kind of like express how I feel and all those things, because a lot comes with being a content creator and being on social media, and it can be really hard to balance, especially because, to be honest, I don't really like get into social media like that. Like, I can't scroll for hours. I'm not obsessed, but yeah, I just wanted a little something to like be able to jot down my thoughts and kind of look back on and just see my thoughts towards content creation. And so this is actually from Tabitha Brown. I think I picked this up at Target. You can also get Be Rooted at Target, but I ordered that directly from their website. And this is going to be my content planner. I know you don't see anything. It looks like just a regular notebook, but for me, I want to be more intentional about what my content looks like and how I create it. So I want to have this notebook to write down everything that I need for content. So as far as like if I need any B-roll, behind the scenes, like what type of photos I want to take, not necessarily fully scripted out, but I just need to have a plan. And I think that will just make my videos be a lot more cohesive, and I will make sure that I'm hitting every talking point and everything that I want to convey to y'all in a certain way. So I just thought this was a cute little notebook to have. And of course, like, you just don't have room to write all of that in a planner. And so I just wanted to have a separate notebook for that. And these are so small that if I'm going somewhere in a co-working space or like a little coffee shop, I can easily like tuck them away in my bags. Now the last two things are kind of like accessories that I just needed to have, right? Right. So I got these little daily mantra pens from Be Rooted, and I just think they are so cute. I love a good pen. And so each of them has a different mantra. The pens say, one says, take up space. We have chase your dreams, trust your timing, prioritize yourself, honor your feelings, and protect your energy. I just think these are so cute, and I just had to pick them up, honestly. And last but not least, I got these cute little pouches from Tabitha Brown also that I got at Target, because I mean, if I got pens, I gotta have a bag to put the pens in so I can keep up with them. I actually do have a lot of pens and highlighters, just for me like reading my Bible and taking notes and things like that. So I wanted to have a little pouch to keep all of those in. And then I also feel like this little pouch would be cute to take with me while I'm like vlogging. So I'll have something to keep like extra batteries, remotes, SD cards, maybe a small little camera that I may have purchased for myself. But any little thing and that I just need to take with me and kind of keep together in a safe place, I think this will fit down in my tote bags just as easy and just keep me organized. So yes, that is everything that I have to keep myself consistent and clear and organized and productive for 2025. I was about to say 2024. Either way, I would love to hear about some of your goals for 2025. If you are into journaling, where you are picking things up, stationery, things of that nature, like whatever you want to share about the new year, please leave it in the comments. I can't wait to talk to you guys down there, and thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys really, really soon.